2021 Mini Countryman S all4. I hope I did that right. 32,000 miles. Hi everyone, my name is Carter and I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. This is the first one of the mini SUVs I've ever had. I've had maybe a dozen of the Coopers, but I've never had the big little mini. Gorgeous color. It's that silver white color with the black leatherette that's heated. 32,000 miles. This car is in perfect condition. If I told you this car had 300 miles on it, I think you'd believe me. It has just been so well cared for. Fresh oil change, independently inspected, fresh detail. Comes with factory warranty. You can upgrade that warranty very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at our AutoramaAuto.com. That's get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com. You can be in and out of here under 20 minutes. That's right, we're not going to keep you all day. You can literally drive from Bismarck if you're pre-approved. Come to our office, test drive the car, like it, love it, leave with it, and be back in Bismarck before you'd be done with the big box stores. Other thing about the big box stores is so many of them are going to hidden fees. They're advertising low prices. We know that their advertising price is lower than ours, but you can't buy it for that price. They have hidden fees, they have markups, they have all this garbage that they don't tell you about till you get in the door. Not us. Price you see is price you pay. Drive it away. Price we advertise it for, you can drive it away. We do have $145 dock fee. That's disclosed, and guess what? This is your video coupon. Corey, our finance guy, give these folks a free dock fee. That's right, dock fee on me, Carter, the owner. So no hidden fees. Price you see is price you pay. Drive it away. Such a cool little car. A lot of fun to drive. They're bigger than they look, but they're still small. Got the factory ski rack on it. Just lots of little hidden things like the British flag there, the S, the skirting, the vents, the stripes, Easter eggs, has many there on the side. Just a lot of cool little things. Heated seats, navigation. It is the signature. Oh yeah, when I get the long list, I forgot to mention it's the signature. So to add about another $4,000 to the original sticker. So let's recap. 2021, 32,000 miles, clear Carfax, local, independently inspected, factory warranty, fast financing, no hidden fees, price you see is price you pay, drive it away. That is the Autorama advantage. Come and experience it.